the bike that I've been working on for a while. So when we were assessing what the MEOW, as far as parts that need to be worked on, this bike didn't have a bracket, didn't have a generator, which was graciously donated by our main contributor here, good Sir Colton. And then it also needed a wheel, and I found some boring saw bits to basically cut out the wheel, and got all the parts needed to make sure that this wheel is going to be firmly attached to the axle to then be spun by the flywheel and generate direct current into into the inverter for it to be powered, or for it to be used for power.
Does that charge go into the batteries?
Does the charge go into the batteries? Yes, the electricity will be, stored into the batteries and then converted later into AC electricity. But yeah.
So where are the batteries?
So, because the batteries that we had to replace in the system were too big for the system, we decided to rebuild our battery box. And so this is our new battery box. Inside you can tell that there's rails down here, which is bolted to the frame. And then we have our 3 batteries out of the 4 that we're going to have the 4th one coming soon, because it's shipped to us all broken up and destroyed. But these are connected in series. The total voltage is going to be above 36 volts for them. And so to re-explain the bicycle generation, there will be wires that will connect. We got the red and the black, and these will connect into here, into these wires, which will go up through these circuit breakers, and then they'll transfer over into the charge controller, and then over into the inverter, and then out through that outlet, so that when you bicycle, you can then power things that are outside the MEOW.
Wait, so what do batteries do?
Batteries will store energy for us, for later use.
Do they do it in AC current?
They will be stored in DC current, and that is why the charge controller will first go down into the batteries. The connections from the bicycles will then first go to the batteries. Everything from the batteries will then go into the charge controller, which will then be converted over in the inverter.
Does anyone ever check up on the batteries?
The batteries will be checked up by the co-directors once a month for maintenance and routine, which the checkup list is going to be listed right here, and so that it'll be signed off and then documented every time.
And I think, is there anything else?
No.